So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mute your mic using your keyboard on your Windows laptop or computer. Now, when you look at your keyboard, you'll notice some icons on the F keys, and you'll notice a icon of mic on the keys. For in my case, it is the F9 key. Now, when you press on that does not work, simply press function plus that particular key, that particular mic key on your keyboard definitely work. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.